Hello everyone, today our topic is how to get Slack channel notifications for new Facebook leads. So I'm promoting my business by using Facebook lead ads and by running an ad campaign on my Facebook page. Now whenever I'm going to receive a new lead from Facebook lead ads, then automatically I want to receive a notification message on my Slack channel. So for that what I have to do is I have to build a simple connection between Facebook lead ads and Slack. So for building this connection, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing software for automation and integration. In Pabbly Connect, I have to use Trigger and Action. In Trigger application, I'm going to use Facebook lead ads. In Action application, I'm going to use Slack. So how I'm going to build this connection? For that, let me take you to my computer screen. I hope all you can see my computer screen, and today we are going to see that how we can get Slack channel notifications for new Facebook lead ad leads. So as a business owner, I'm promoting my business through Facebook lead ads, and for that I have created a Facebook page. So this is my Facebook page, which is named as Pabbly Connect. So on my Facebook page, I'm running an ad campaign, and now with this ad campaign, I'm receiving a lot of leads. Now I never want to miss any of my lead that I'm receiving from Facebook lead ads. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to share a notification message on my Slack channel with my team. Now every time I'm going to receive a new lead, then automatically I will get a notification message on my Slack channel. So how we can do this automatically? For that I have to create an automation with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now with Pabbly Connect, I'm going to build a simple connection between Facebook lead ads and Slack. And I'm going to build this connection without any coding and programming skills. Now with Pabbly Connect, what is going to happen is that whenever I'm going to receive a new Facebook lead from Facebook lead ads, then automatically a notification message will be shared on my channel on Slack. So here I'm going to show you that how you can create this automation with Pabbly Connect. And for using Pabbly Connect, you have to open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect. And this will take us to this landing page of Pabbly Connect. Here we have two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you don't have any account with Pabbly Connect, then you just have to click on sign up for free button, and it will take only 2 minutes of your time, and you will get 100 of tasks free every month. Or if you already have an account, you can just sign in and you will get to see this page. So these are all the apps that Pabbly offers, and we are going to use Pabbly Connect here. For that I have to click here on this Access Now button under Pabbly Connect, and this will direct us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here this is the workflow section, and we can see all the workflows that we will create here. And this is the folder section. We can create new folder here, and we can save any workflow in any particular folder that we want. Now here what I want to do is I want to create a new workflow. For that I have to click here on this create workflow button, and this window will pop up. Here I have to name my workflow, so I'm going to name it as my objective, which is to get Slack channel notifications for new Facebook leads. Now what I need to do is I need to select the folder where I want to save my workflow. So I'm going to open this tab, and in this tab you will find all the folders that you have created in your Pabbly Connect account. And in this I'm going to use this particular folder of Facebook lead ads. So I'm going to select this, and I'm going to click on create. And this will take us to this most important window of our workflow. Here we have two boxes, trigger and action. So these are the two main principles on which our workflow works on. And trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is going to be the first step that will get executed in our workflow, and action will just follow that. So we have to set up our trigger first, and here my trigger application is going to be Facebook lead ads. So I'm going to select Facebook lead ads here. And now I have to give a trigger event. So I'm going to open this tab, and new lead instant will be my trigger event. So I'm going to select this, and I'm going to connect Facebook lead ads with Pabbly Connect. So I'll click here on connect. I will click on add new connection, and I will connect with Facebook lead ads. And now I have to click on continue to give access to my account. And here my connection is successful. Now what I need to do is I need to first select my page and the lead gen form. So for selecting the page, let me take you to my Facebook account first. And here this is my Facebook page, which is named as Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to use this particular Facebook page, and in this page I'm running my ad campaign. Now let's go back to Pabbly Connect. And for selecting the page, I have to open this tab, and in this tab you will find all the pages that are connected with your Facebook account. So I'm going to search for my page, which is of Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to select this, and now I have to connect my lead gen form. So for the lead gen form, I have to open this tab, And in this tab, I will find all the lead generation forms that are connected with my Facebook page, and I can use any particular lead generation form that I want to use, but I want to receive lead from any lead generation form, so I'm going to use all lead gen forms here. And now we have this important note which says, please note that after clicking the Save and Send Test to Quiz button, you will need to generate sample submission of your lead ad form by clicking on the preview form button and filling out the form. Make sure that the lead generation form is live before making the sample submission. Now here what I need to do is I need to click on Save and Send Test to Quiz button, and here it is waiting for webhook response. So how I'm going to get this webhook response? For that I have to create a sample submission, and for creating the sample submission I'm going to use Metaphor Developer. And before making the sample submission, I have to make sure that my lead generation form that I'm going to use to create a sample submission or to create a new lead should be live. So for getting the webhook response, I have to take you to Metaphor Developer. And in Metaphor Developer, I will go to More. And here I'm going to open this option of Tools. And in Tools, I'm going to search for this Lead Ads RTO Debug tool. So we are going to use this particular tool. So I'm going to open this. And here we can see we have these two tabs, page and the form. So again, I'm going to search for my page here. So I have to open this tab, and I'm going to select my page, which is of Pabbly Connect, and my form is already selected. Now what I need to do is I need to click on preview form button, and I have to fill dummy details in my form to create a sample submission. So I have to click here. So here, this is my form, and in this I have all these details: first name, last name, email, phone number, and city. So I have to fill all these details here. So my first name is going to be demo, last name will be user, email will be demouser@pablitudes.com, and I have to give a random phone number. So this is going to be the phone number of my lead. Now I have to give a city. So my city will be Bhopal, and here I have filled all these details. Now what I need to do is I need to click on next. I will click on submit, and here I have submitted my form and I have created this new lead. Now what I need to do is I need to take you to Pabbly Connect. And here in Pabbly Connect, we have received this response. So we have the first name, which is demo. We have the last name, which is user. We have the email, which is demouser@pablitudes.com. And this is the phone number of my lead. And we have the city, which is Bhopal. So here we can see that we have received this detail of the lead that we have just created in Facebook Lead Ads by filling the lead generation form. So here we have received this response. Now what I need to do is I need to share a notification message on my Slack channel with these lead details. So for that, what I have to do is I have to set up my actions tab. So I'm going to open this tab, and here my action application is going to be Slack. So I'm going to select Slack here, and now I have to give an action event. So I'm going to open this tab, and send channel message will be my action event. So I'm going to select this, and I'm going to connect Slack with Pabbly Connect. So I'll click here on connect. I will click on add new connection, and I will connect with Slack. Now I have to give my token type. So I have to type my token type either as user or bot. So my token type is going to be user, and I'm going to click on save. And now I have to click on allow to give access to my account. So I'm going to click here, and my connection here is successful. Now what I need to do is I need to first select my channel on which I want to send my message. So for that, let me take you to Slack first. And in Slack, I'm using this particular channel of Facebook Lead Ads. So in this particular channel, I'm going to share my message with my team that we have received a new lead, and in that message, I'm going to share the detail of that particular lead. Now let's go back to Pabbly Connect. Now for selecting my channel, I have to open this tab, and in this tab, I will find all the channels that are connected with my Slack account. So I'm going to search for my channel, which is Facebook Lead Ads. So I'm going to select that. And now I have to give the message that I want to share as a notification on my Slack channel. So I'm going to type my message here. So my message will be, hello team, we have received a new lead from Facebook Lead Ads, and these are the details. So here I'm going to give the name of my lead, email of my lead, phone number of my lead, and the city. And my message ends with, make sure that we don't miss this lead and we can connect with this lead as soon as possible. So this is going to be my message that I want to share as a notification on my Slack channel with my team. Now here what I need to do is I need to map the details of my lead, and I have received the details from my Facebook Lead Ad response. So I'm going to use all those details, and I'm going to map those details here, and I have to use mapping. So what mapping is a technique through which I can retrieve the data from the previous tabs, and the data that is changing will get replaced with the new data in the real time. So for mapping, I have to click here, I will give a space, and I'm going to map the name of my lead. So I have to click here, And this is the first name of my lead, so I'm going to map this. I will give a space and I'm going to map the last name. Similarly, I'm going to map the email, so I have to click here. I will give a space. I'm going to open this response of Facebook lead ads, and this is the email address, so I'm going to map this. Now I'm going to map the phone number, and similarly I'm going to map the city. So here I have mapped all the details of the lead that I have received from my Facebook lead ad response, and here what is going to happen is that I have made these details dynamic. Now whenever I'm going to receive new response of a lead from Facebook lead ads, then in real time automatically the details of that new lead will get replaced here, and we are going to receive the new details of the new lead. Now here I have mapped all the required details. Now what I need to do is I need to scroll down, and I have all these options. So these are not the required details, so I'm just going to leave all these details blank. So I have to scroll down and I have to click on Save and Send Test Request button. And here we can see I have received this response. So this is a positive response, and this means that I have shared a notification message automatically on my Slack channel. Now to check this, what I have to do is I have to take you to my Slack channel. And here on Slack, we can see that I have received a new message automatically on my channel, which is Facebook lead ads. So here we have this message which says, "Hello team, we have received a new lead from Facebook lead ads, and these are the details." So we have the name of my lead, which is demo user. We have the email, which is demoUser@pablitudes.com. This is the random phone number, and this is my city, which is Bhopal. So here we can see that these are all the details that I have filled in my lead generation form while creating a new lead in Facebook lead ads, and automatically I have received all these details here as a message on my Slack channel. So here my connection between Facebook lead ads and Slack is working successfully, and whenever I'm going to receive a new lead from Facebook lead ads, then automatically I'm going to receive a notification message on my Slack channel. Now to check this in real time, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to Metaphor Developer. I'm going to close this. I'm going to delete this lead, and I'm going to preview this form one more time, and I have to fill all these details to create a new lead again. So my first name is going to be test, last name will be user, email will be testuser@pablitudes.com. I'm going to give a random phone number, and the city, which is going to be Indore. So this is my city. Now what I need to do is I need to click on next. I will click on submit, and I have successfully created this new lead. Now what should happen is that automatically by capturing these details of my lead, I should receive a notification message on my Slack channel with all these details of my lead. Now to check this, let me take you to my Slack channel. And here on Slack, I have received this new message which says, "Hello team, we have received a new lead from Facebook lead ads, and these are the details." So the name is test user, email is testuser@pablitudes.com. We have this random phone number and the city, which is Indore. And my message ends with, make sure that we don't miss this lead and we can connect with this lead as soon as possible. So here I have received this new message, and in this message I have the details that I have just filled in my lead gen form in Facebook lead ads to create a new lead. So automatically I have received this message on my Slack channel with the detail of the lead that I'm receiving from Facebook lead ads. So here my connection between Facebook lead ads and Slack is working successfully. Now let's go back to Pabbly Connect. And we have successfully created this connection between Facebook lead ads and Slack without any coding and programming skills. So here, whenever I'm going to receive a new Facebook lead from Facebook lead ads for my business, then automatically I'm going to receive a notification message on my Slack channel. So let's summarize what we did here. So first I have set up my trigger, and my trigger application was Facebook lead ads, and my trigger event was new lead instant. Then I have set up my actions tab, and my action application was Slack, and my action event was send channel message. So this is how I have successfully created this workflow, and you can also create this workflow by following all the steps that I did in my workflow. And I'm also going to put the link of my workflow in the description so you can check it out from there, and thank you for watching this video.
Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this by using Pabbly Connect. So if you want to reach out to us, then email us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, then you can write us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any issue with the pricing, then you can visit this link. And if you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.